This antique E-Flight biplane was headed for the dumpster until a friend talked me into taking it into my shop to see what I could do with it. I brought it home and looked at it for a few days and finally decided I had enough junk around to make it fly again. 30 hours later, this is the result of my efforts. As you'll see, it wasn't in the air very long, but for a first flight, it wasn't bad. I was trying to get it back on the ground in one piece, and I did. The crash was rough, but she's a tough old bird, and she lived to fly again that very same day.
Great. All right, here we go. That looked better. He's a little down, the elevator.
No.
No?
Come back on the throttle.
Yeah.
Shaking like a bird dog shitting peach seeds on a tin roof. My God, it's flying.
Yes, it is.
Alex said they fly nice and slow. That's what I want to see. I want to see some nice slow flight. And that's about third throttle. Trimmed out pretty good.
Well, as you can see, the second flight was a whole lot better than the first. After some trim setup changes and rechecking the CG, put her back in the air and kept it there for about 3 minutes. Unfortunately, this was the last video
I'm kidding.
before I lost it in the woods. So jokingly, I said, wonder if I should try a loop, and laughed. Then 10 seconds later, I tried it anyway, and it looped. A little sloppy, though.
I am shaking like a leaf. This is my cardio workout for the day.
It's flying
Wish
good.
Billy and Alex were here to see it. That flies nicely. I put back on the throttle. Damn numb fingers.
Here I went into slow motion so you can see the expert landing. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks. She was a pretty nice flying airplane, and I'm really disappointed that I lost it at a later date into the woods. No excuses, pilot error. End of story.
Perfect.
On the wheels.